Now that the base is done, I'm moving on to the concealer. This one has medium coverage and is very creamy. I'm literally taking a pea-size amount on my fingertips and gently tapping it on to the darkest corner of my under eye and blending it out towards the outer corner. I'm also putting it on my upper eyelids as an eye base for the eyeshadows, and I'm also covering any kind of imperfection that I have on my face. For today's look, I'm going to use a cream eyeshadow palette. This one's a beautiful copper color. I'm gently applying it all over my lid. It also has a hint of small glitter particles which gives the most beautiful sheen. Next, I'm applying this beautiful golden shade to the inner corner of my eye. This is just to add some extra glow since we're looking for that in today's video. I promise this is the last one. This one's an eyeshadow topper. I'm mostly focusing on the center of my eyelid, going towards the outer corner, under my eyebrow bridge. Next step is mascara. This is the most essential step for me in my routine. I feel like mascara can completely change your look, and it's very important to have a nice mascara that fulfills your requirement and the look that you're looking for. Honestly, I still don't really know how to fill my brows. I have pretty thick brows and I call myself bushy brows. I mean, if you watch Naruto, you'd know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's the truth. I'm still kinda struggling in that department. Next step is a cream bronzer. This one has a beautiful sheen to it. I'm just applying it on my cheekbones and just getting that dimension back on my face. Moving on to the cream blush and the cream blush topper, I'm just applying it on my cheeks, giving that beautiful flushy look, and just putting the cream blush topper on top just to give that extra shine that we all love. Next one is the cream highlighter. I'm just putting it on the high points of my face, my cheekbones, places where I want a definite highlight. I'm just using some setting powder to set my under eyes and some sweaty areas where I tend to get more sweat and oil. We're almost there, guys. I'm using a peachy orangey liquid lipstick and I'm taking it on my fingertips and I'm gently tapping it on the center of my lips. The final step, guys, this is a lip glow oil. I'm applying it all over my lips. It's also very moisturizing and hydrating. So that's all for now. This is the